Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make Roblox mobile look like PC. First, open your mobile browser and navigate to its settings. Look for an option to request or enable the desktop site view. This immediately changes how websites render, giving you a wider, more PC-like layout. Next, consider adjusting your device's display settings to reduce zoom, allowing more content to fit on your screen. This initial step is crucial for a broader visual experience. Now, let's optimize your in-game experience. Open the Roblox app and dive into its settings. Find the graphics quality slider and push it all the way to the maximum setting for crisp visuals. Next, explore the on-screen controls customization options. You can often resize or hide certain buttons to make your display less cluttered. For truly authentic PC control, consider pairing a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to your mobile device, offering much greater precision. To further enhance your experience, focus on graphics and performance. For smooth gameplay, your mobile device should ideally have at least 4 GB of RAM. Before launching Roblox, make sure to close any other applications running in the background. This frees up valuable system resources. Within Roblox, experiment with the graphics settings. While aiming for high quality, find a balance that your device can comfortably handle to maintain a consistent frame rate and a visually appealing environment. For those seeking an even more advanced PC-like feel, consider some deeper customization. You might explore third-party launchers or custom user interfaces available for your mobile device, which can alter the overall look and feel of your operating system. Additionally, experiment with different aspect ratios within your device's display settings to achieve a wider field of view in games. Finally, remember to regularly clear your device's cache to ensure Roblox and your system run at their absolute best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.